Hello friends, Lila Nayako here today. So today I want to share with you the 7 fundamental skills in the industry of direct sales or network marketing industry. These are the skills which you need to know as you come into this industry. So the first one is finding prospects. Make sure you connect with people because this is a people industry, so you need to build relationships in order for you to find the right prospects for your business. As you know, people are our main product in this industry. The second one is know how to invite your prospects to come and understand your business or product. So learn the skills of inviting as well, and you'll be able to invite your prospects to come and understand your business or opportunity. The third one is know how to present your business or opportunity to your prospects. That will help them evaluate it and be able to understand it in order to know what they are coming into, as well for them to be able to decide if they want to be a part of your business or they are not interested, but more so to help them to understand your opportunity. The fourth one, make sure you know how to follow up with your prospects because the money is in the follow up. So there's no need of inviting them and then you don't follow up. Make sure you do the follow up. And then the fifth one is make sure you help your prospects become your business partners or your customers. So help them to sign in and do the right thing. The sixth one is help your business partners to start it right. That is, provide them with the right tools to start the business in the right way and the right mentorship in order for them to be able to succeed in your business. And also the seventh one, make sure you promote events, that is company events or any personal development events are available in your company. That will help boost their morale and they'll be able to believe that they also can do it because they'll be able to meet with those who have already achieved in your company, and they'll be able to build their belief up, and by that they'll be able also to succeed, and by that you do succeed. So that is all for today, my friends. I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, feel free to share, and also if you love to connect with me, click on the link below this video and I'll see you on the other side. So until tomorrow, my friends, bye bye and be blessed as always.